fight earlier.
Did it, the poor innocent Ushi.
Ashley decided to throw ice cream on me. I got her back with whipped cream. So to keep a huge fight happening with all the kids, I am graciously allowing this. Now, I want to go over some ground rules. This is between me and Ushi. You are not to be getting your hands in it, fighting with one another, so abandoning all hope of doing that. Is that understood?
Go Ushi! Woo!
Understood?
This is for all the time you love
Understood?
Understood.
This is for all the milkshakes, Phoebe.
Oh, wait. So we now be gentle. My nose could break.
Gage.
No.
Please. Do you have a question? Just like
This is the day that we'll live in infamy.
Question.
Hunter, back up, please.
do it how you want.
Involved in
Guys,
that.
I don't
Hunter,
wanna get it in my
my
ball
class.
spot.
This way. Hunter,
We
when
have
I
to
asked you something, you come over here.
Now we will be
Hunter, I
punished.
didn't say stand there. I said come over here.
Oh.
hairnet off.
I could have done that anyway.
Oh,
Oh, goodness.
Marcus. Oh. Well,
It's in your